And there you go. We have our first Afro-Filipina Miss Universe. And marami silang sinasabi. Chelsea is the center of attraction at the moment. And let's listen to the other pageant bloggers and hear what they say. Bloggers from the Philippines, USA, Australia, Latin America, and Africa. And the bloggers that I have discovered seem to agree to the fact that Chelsea Manalo deserves to win the crown, and she will be in quest for Miss Universe crown number 5. And Filipinos all over the world wanted to have the crown number 5 for the Philippines. So let's continue to support Chelsea Manalo. And kaunting tulong lang po. Please subscribe to my channel. Maraming salamat po.